Under 100, that's really good. Okay. I like this guy's name, by the way. DVD. If it's referring to what I think it's referring to. Also, I'm kind of sorry for these guys for what's about to happen this match. If my movement is not as wonky and janky. Like it always is. Nobody's using the Howler. That's great. Okay, they didn't get these over here. Alright, nice. Good value. Another one? No? Okay. Last one here. Or here. Damn, I didn't see him. Okay. We're not going to open these doors because it just makes the rounds go by slower. The larger the spawns. I'm going to see if we can get these guys to accept this. Most likely, no. No zombie there. Maybe last one over here? No? Okay. Doing good so far. Same routine as always. Power on round 12. Hopefully these guys can understand and be patient. Did not mean to reload there. I'm actually going to switch angles after this round. These guys are lucky on insta-kill. Last one's... okay, never mind. I'm gonna chill here so I have a better angle killing from there and here. The audio is a bit loud for me. It's a little too loud. There we go. Oh, I need ammo. They're gonna get these kills. Unlucky. Not gonna kill that zombie. Ooh, I got lucky. Oh, man. See, wish I had ammo here. Screw it. I'm just gonna buy it. Hope these guys don't look. Okay. Nice. After this round, I'm gonna go ahead and get my 2 main perks. And then come back here. This guy's not happy. No one's ever happy about my playstyle, but hey, that's how I play. Oh, he wants me to open doors. Not yet, buddy. Not yet. I know I have the most amount of points, but just be patient. Trust me. Alright, let's go now. Let's get Jug and Stamina. think we'll just knife for now. Since I don't have Deadshot and my gun's weak during these rounds. To the body anyways. Going for heads is very difficult without Deadshot. What's this? Oh, it's done. I don't want that. Now we go back to spawn and wait till 12. Try to get as much points as possible. This guy's gonna do the same thing. If he sits there, I'm gonna get a shit ton of kills. But if he tries pressuring into the mid here and go for kills too, then I'm not really gonna get as much. If he opens that door though, he's gonna get more zombies. I don't think he knows that. Okay, he's kind of pressuring here. A little slow on the kills though. Damn, insta-kill. Either way, he was gonna go for that. This guy has the last ones. Okay, he got him. Nice. If we can get a total of 18,000 points by round 12, that would be fantastic. Ooh, double points? Damn, this guy is here though. It's kind of unfortunate. Oh, they're both here. Shit. I think they know. If they're gonna use toxic growth and brain rot the whole game, I'm shit out of luck. I can't do anything to counter that. Unless I use the same shit. Which is disgusting. Absolutely hate toxic growth in this game so much, but there's nothing I can do about it. Okay. 2 more rounds. Already got 15,000. This is great. Since I've been getting the most amount of kills, they're relying on me to get the doors, which I can understand. As long as one of them open at least one door, good enough for me. While I get the rest. Oh, he got that. Is that armor? Oh, I thought it was. Best I can do for now is knife. Another double points? This is huge. I'm gonna use that. Good value. $21,000, that's actually not bad. Bruh, really? Who got that? No way. I don't want that stinky ass hog. Oh, is this guy? He got it. Nice. The ray gun. Lucky. If this is gonna be a long game, it'll be worth it. Oh, okay. Well, thanks, guys. Just open the doors for me because they're impatient. Alright. More perks for me. I mean, hey, if they want to be impatient and open the doors for me, I'm fine with that, because that means I'll just buy more perks. Makes it easier for me. Little do they know. And they barely have any points to get their sales perks. All because they're impatient. Let's see if we can get this before the other two do. Oh wait, that host dude already has armor. Okay. Who was it that doesn't have armor? Oh, green dude. Okay. We'll go for the part. And the fact, well actually no. I'm gonna go for these crystals. You never know if I might get a DIE from this. Or a free revive. Or that guy can go for the part. Wait, what? That's a weird placement. Ooh, scrap. I actually do need that. Have enough for armor to level 2, that's nice. If I have enough points, I might open those 2 doors so I can get more spawns. In case the Megaton spawns by me, I can have armor just to be safe. I don't know where these guys are going to stay the entire game. We're going to open these 2. Looks like they're staying here. I don't know if you guys want to do that, honestly. You guys don't have toxic growth, you're just giving me more kills. The more people I have here, the more zombies that spawn in. Pet registration is a little bit delayed, but I can still kill. Would honestly prefer dedicated servers over host. Actually, I don't know about that. It depends. Like, if you get a good host, that's better, but I don't know. I actually do not know if dedicated servers would be better or not. Because Outbreak is a bit shitty in this game, since Outbreak is based off dedicated servers. He just respawned. Weird. The only bad thing about this guy being here is he might steal my ammo and scrap. Ooh, more kills. Is that armor? Yeah, that is. Oh, now he figured it out. I'm so proud of you. We're gonna go for Wonder Fizz actually, since I have enough for more perks. We can get PhD and Quick Revive. I did not mean to do that. There we go. Ooh, you want to go for that? Do it. I dare you. No, laser the shit out of zombies now. What are you doing, man? Oh, so many juicy stoinks. I love them. Recoil on the FFAR is not so great. It can kill, but the recoil, yeah, I don't know. Did they nerf it? I don't know. That's weird. I'm using field agent grip. I don't know. It's weird. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Sucks that nobody went down this game. I was kind of hoping there'd be that one player that would constantly go down so I can carry him, but no, everybody's just doing well at not dying, which is rare. A little boring, but rare. Gonna have to buy ammo. As soon as I bought ammo, dude. Happens every single time. What is this guy doing? He has so many zombies. He's just giving me free kills. So glad he's not using turned or toxic growth though. I'm grateful for that. Otherwise this game would be so much more boring and I would probably leave. like if I get a player that has the same playstyle as me but use toxic growth by doorways, I just leave. Because it's gonna be such a boring experience from my point of view. So it doesn't matter whatever I do, it's like I'm not really gonna get much of any kills. Just gonna be sitting doing nothing. Or no matter how hard I try, I'm not gonna get enough. And it just gets boring. Let's go pack. I think I might stay here and just go for kills here. Can I shoot through that? No, I can't. Can't wall bang in Cold War. You can in Black Ops 3 though, which makes no sense. You can shoot through almost anything in Black Ops 3 zombies, but it's the opposite for Cold War. Very strange. One feature about Cold War I don't like too much. You can't really shoot through walls to kill zombies. Specific walls that are very thin, yeah, but most of them you can't. Kinda sucks. Little small detail, but still. Next thing to rant about on Twitter. 0 likes. Did we ever get a Megaton, or am I dumb as hell? What is that? Oh, armor. I completely forgot. Oh, there you are. I was just talking about you. Bro just popped out of nowhere. Oh, he wants me. Ooh, not good position to be on. Here we go. I don't know if the DIE would be worth it, honestly. I'm not host. Usually when I'm a host, I go for him. If nobody else does. He left spawn? He'll come back. I think. Someone is using toxic growth. Oh, it's this guy. Disgusting. If all 3 of them camp on top of the penthouse, I can actually get all the zombies by me. That's one thing I love about this map. If all other players are camping on the penthouse and I'm by yard, I get majority of the zombies by my locations. And it's actually insane. I love it. Yes! Healing aura value. Let's go. It's beginning. I hope. Hopefully nobody else revives him or has healing aura so I can use it again. I don't think I'm gonna have enough time. They're gonna go for him quickly. Shit. No! My healing aura. No! Damn, I was 3 seconds away. I could have got that too. He didn't have any perks anyways to begin with, so either way it wouldn't matter. If they waited or not. Hi. Bye. Let's go actually, should I pack? It's really early. It's gonna be very expensive buying ammo, but I might wait. If I go for tier 3, it's gonna cost 5,000 every single time I buy ammo, so I might just wait. And hopefully I can get 1,000 scrap pretty soon. 1,000 rare scrap, not uncommon. So I can get my legendary upgrade. Ooh, give me that. Yeah, give me all that shit. Get all the rare scrap I can possibly get. Yes! More healing aura value. I actually want to do Black Ops 2 Zombies and just carry randoms, but I don't have that game installed on my console. Because I don't have enough storage. Literally only have like, what, 5 games? And I don't have enough storage. Sneaky Xbox. I blame Cold War. It took up like half of my damn storage. I don't know why. $756 kills on round 20. Nice. Just what I love to see. The other hand though, I don't know. Oh, I love playing like this. The only entertainment I can get out of Cold War Zombies is by playing this way. Which is somewhat skillful. Go down again. Do it. Do it. Do it. very great with my aim, I swear. Why am I having a hard time killing him now? Ooh, nice. Oh, this poor guy. I did not mean to go for that. Ooh, scrap? Even if it's just one, I will take it. I think I'm gonna go for this now. Help them kill the zombies faster. Nice.